Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial I'll be guiding you guys on how to make this simple model. So let's get started. Now let's work with the top plane. From here to here, this is my length here, 55. Get to here, 40. I'll make this line the construction line. So my circle diameter here is 18. So my diameter here is 40, radius should be 20. I'll keep here 30. Radius 20. Diameter 18. So we have this. Now I'll go to features, extrude. I'll select on this contour. So you can see the total thickness here is 45. Mid plane condition 45. I'll click on this drop down. I click on this sketch. I go to extruded boss base. On contour, I select on this face. Now I make the thickness 10. Thickness 10. So I'm having this. Now I sketch on this face. I want to add a construction line from here down here. I make sure it's straight, horizontal. I go to center rectangle. I sketch and I drag. As you can see, the thickness here, the opening here is 25. 25. I'll keep a distance from here to here, 10. I click on features, extruded cut. Or simply cut through all boots. There are different options, but through all boots. So we're having this cut. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.